Now, what's this going on with our good brethren? Do we want to do this now, or we'll go ahead and do it, and we'll go into a little music set, and then we'll come back and close out. All right?
That sounds good to me.
Yeah, yeah.
So let's just jump right in. Ziggy Marley claps back at the Israeli Defense Forces fundraising claims. Now, as you know, Ziggy Marley is just off of the high of having put out his dad's biopic. And it seems as though allegations that should have been buried a while ago are now starting to lift back up based on a live by a very popular artist by the name of Queen Africa. Now, the situation surrounding Ziggy Marley and his alleged involvement in raising funds for the Israeli Defense Forces seems to have sparked significant controversy and accusations. Now, according to Marley, he's denied the raising of funds for the IDF and aligns with his statements of not liking to comment on such matters, but having been compelled to respond in the broader context, he stated that he is, even though he's married to an Israeli, he does not wish to involve himself in these political misunderstandings.
So is that where the rumor is coming from? Because he's married to an Israeli, that somebody then automatically assumes that he's supporting the Israeli defense. Okay, all right. Look, a bit of a stretch, but people have stretched in the past.
Well, his previous signing of an open letter supporting Israel during the conflict with Gaza likely fueled the controversy as well. So with this backlash, including protests at his performances, it reflects the deeply polarized sentiments surrounding the current political issue.
Did he not convert to Judaism?
This is true.
So he is a.
It is very layered.
He's a Jew who is married to a Israeli, and yeah, okay, and wrote an open letter supporting Israel over Gaza.
Mm-hmm.
Well, what's the controversy?
Well, I think that what's important here is the light of dancehall and how dancehall always seems to bring the truth to people's eyes at a very convenient time. So Queen Africa, having made these statements on her live, has now sparked and refueled this argument that, as I mentioned, should have been deaded weeks and months ago. So it's unfortunate that Ziggy has to continue to defend himself in this particular matter, but people want some answers. So
yeah. Is he Israeli citizen? Do you know?
I don't know.
Be interested if he has a vote. It's curious.
I mean, that's where people's money goes to, is where they're voting, right?
Right. His wife probably votes at home.
I'm sure, and from my understanding, she also had a seat on the Grammys for a little while as well. So
was that right?
Yeah,
boy.
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you,
things are just in his favor.
It's good to be a Marley.
It's nice when your jaw's